So guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, come to this website which is gigabyte.com officially website. Here to search, type your model number Z790 and master X and then hit enter. Then click to product. This one first. Then click to support. So this is a different version. So no worry, this is all the version is same driver. Select any. If you know about your motherboard versions, you can select right. Okay. Select operating system Windows 10, 11. If you are any operating system Windows 10, so installations process same. VGA driver. So this is Intel VGA graphic driver. Intel graphic driver. So click to download. But you can see this is already I installed. I show you. This one 767. Okay, just single click. You download this is the same size. Just double click. This is first extract. Then click to yes. So this is installing. And then close it.